You guys ready for this epic road trip?
Yeah.
Ooh, there go Caleb Williams right there. Look at that.
Ooh.
Ooh, nice jersey. Bro, we made it. You got the hats?
Finally, you guys tripped me. You guys capped me.
What?
No, not a door. I got scared by this. Like,
Whoa. What are you doing? What are you fishing for?
Take exit 107A, then slide right onto the ramp to Pro Football Hall of Fame.
I've only done right.
Oh, where are we going? Across these tracks?
Whoa. My legs hurt. Is that a surf car?
Uh-huh.
Where's the 40-yard dash? I ain't running that.
You ain't running that? Here go the Bears cheerleaders. Wait, Bears don't have cheerleaders.
So dumb.
The Pro Football Hall of Fame would like to thank Constellation, the exclusive energy provider at the Pro Football Hall of Fame.
So now I dwell just to say you're plain up. Hold your cup cause I got the container. Pass the plate up. See it clean. You can try but don't work cause you can't intervene.
Future never on right now. But I'm sipping that kombucha, either pink or brown. I'm the one that introduced you to the E right now. Oh my God. Well, alright. Tryna fade. And Uzi, these just so reckless. Keep on. So cruise, I'm talking naughty. Sounds. Go all the way up. Go all the way up. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. Also, rock, hit it, drop, pull it. We just want, run it, come.
All-time return and punt return touchdowns. And the only player to run the opening kickoff of a Super Bowl into the end zone from the Chicago Bears, Devin Hester. Helping the team to a Super Bowl 20 championship. Unable to join us in Canton today, Steve is represented by his wife, Misty McMichael.
The home of the
This is a game.
Oh.
That would be a cool one. Come on.
You want to take a picture
No, it's fine.
before we get struck by lightning?